On behalf of 24houranswers.com, I welcome you to today's lesson. In this video, we're going to look at L'Hopital's rule, and this is example one of many examples in this next series of videos. This particular example covers the 0 over 0 form. Let's try to find this limit, then we'll come back and talk about this. The limit as x approaches negative 2 of this rational function. Let's try direct substitution first. Negative 2 squared, that's going to be 4, minus 12 when you substitute negative 2 into here. 4 minus 12 is negative 8, plus 8 we get 0 up top. At the bottom, negative 2 plus 2 we get 0. This is the 0 over 0 form that we're referring to up here. So without a long technical definition, L'Hopital's rule says we can do this. We have an indeterminate form of 0 over 0. The only thing we need to do is differentiate the numerator and denominator and then try again. Now some of you may be thinking, okay, well, let's try to factor. And you are right. We could factor this, but that's not what L'Hopital's rule is talking about. I'm just going to show you the factoring piece real quick. We can factor that numerator to give us x plus 4 and x plus 2 over x plus 2. And this is one of the first things you learned about in Calculus 1 when you were dealing with limits. Factor and then try to cancel, and now we can find the limit as x approaches negative 2 of x plus 4. And then when we substitute negative 2 in now, negative 2 plus 4, we get an answer of 2. So technically we've already answered this question without even applying L'Hopital's rule. However, factoring can be tough, and sometimes you cannot factor, and those other limit strategies we discussed way back at the beginning of Calculus 1 do not apply here. So now finally, let's apply this L'Hopital's rule. And all we need to do is take the derivative of the top and the derivative of the bottom, and let's try it again. And again, make sure you realize why we can do this. We have the indeterminate form of 0 over 0. That's exactly what we got up here when we tried direct substitution. We do not do the quotient rule here. We take the derivative of the numerator and the derivative of the denominator. So the derivative of the top piece here, we have 2x plus 6 plus 0, so that's just 2x plus 6, over the derivative of the denominator is just going to be 1 plus 0, which is 1. Now let's do some direct substitution. We have the limit as x approaches negative 2 of 2x plus 6. And now when we substitute negative 2 in, we have negative 4 plus 6. That gives us the same answer we see above of 2. In the next example, we'll look at another one where we have 0 over 0 form. There are several forms to address in these next series of videos, but I'm going to show you why this is so powerful here versus us trying to do some other strategy that we learned earlier in Calc 1. And there you have it, example 1 of L'Hopital's rule, the 0 over 0 form. When we get 0 over 0, all we do is take the derivative of the top and the derivative of the bottom like we did here, and then try again. And that's it for this video. I hope it helped. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel for more videos. Links to our social media are in the description below.